everybody, happy August. So this month we are going to have a bunch of brand new programs and they're going to be live. However, some of you are still not quite comfortable coming in for live programming, so we're still going to be doing these videos for you. This one is actually for our Workshop Wednesdays, and for our very first Wednesday, we are going to do dot painting. And dot painting is a lot of fun. What do we need? We need paint. Just a couple different colors. We need a plate or something to put the paint on. We need some Q-tips, just like this. We need some paper, a pencil, and I think that's it. So let's get started. So what are we gonna do for this dot painting? One of the reasons I said you need a pencil is maybe you wanna sketch something out first. And maybe you just wanna do just a free painting. I did that earlier and I just did squares. But you can really do whatever you want. We are going to give you some inspiration if you come in to do this program live. So I'm gonna see how this goes, Miss Roz. So let's get started. You need a Q-tip, and all you're going to do is just dip your Q-tip in the paint, and you want to get it nice and full of the paint. So let's see, I'm gonna attempt to do a heart. Let's see if it works. Yeah, this kind of looks like a heart. That kind of looks like a heart. And now I'm going to take another color and go right over the top of it. Yep. And when you run out of paint, you just put some more on your, see this? Okay. See that? All right. And then let's do another one on top of that. This is so much fun because you're really limited by your creativity, and just sitting and painting is so relaxing. So we're pretty excited to get started with these Wednesday projects. We have a lot of different cool art projects, and we've got some poetry this month. So we've got a couple different things all month long. And you can see here, I did just some dot hearts. Oh, I can't even say that. Let's try saying that really fast. Just fill that in with another one, and that's the thing. You can't make a mistake. So if you want to add a few more dots to it, that's okay. There we go. Finished product. And like I said earlier, I did squares. You can see I just did these squares. I did purples, pinks, blues, whatever you would like to do. So what's gonna happen when you come in this week? It starts at 1 o'clock, and we will have everything, all the ingredients, all the supplies needed to do this. You will be getting, we're gonna make this look a lot nicer for you guys than just paper. So we're gonna give you a canvas, and we're gonna give you a couple of these acrylic paints. You're gonna get some neons. You're gonna get Q-tips and a plate. I hope that you come in. I hope that you get to do this here in the library. There'll be the staff here to help you. But if you're not comfortable yet, we will have a very, very limited amount for go packs. So if you don't get to do this, just stop and ask and see if we have any left over. We will also be giving you, like I said, inspiration, just some ideas on things that you can do as well. I will be back next week with another Workshop Wednesday project. So until then, I hope everybody has a great week, and I hope to see you here in the library really soon. Bye for now.